Hello students, welcome to week 9. As you know, we're moving forward into online classes instead of face-to-face classes. So tomorrow, remember, we will be meeting Skype. Some of you already confirmed. We will be meeting at 8:30 to 9:30. If there's more time needed, I can state more time. Make sure you are checking your emails. Also, explore a little bit about your Blackboard course since I did make some changes. So right now under content over here, you will see that the class is divided between different modules within weekly modules. So I'm going to just go through it before I go through what is due this coming week. The reflection assignment that is coming from Brian Stratton here that I post this and this is due March 27, which is coming Friday. It is for 10 points. This is a reflection of what we are going through here. There's more details in here. Some of you already did it. Thank you so much. And then moving forward, you're going to see here week 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And that will be the end of our week. So for the rest of the content, it has been moved weekly just to make things easier for you when you are submitting. So for this week, starting tomorrow, Thursday, so you will click on week 9 assignments. Now, each week has 2 assignments due. You will have an entire week. We will meet on Thursday mornings on Skype if you can't. Remember about attendance. The only way that I can record you as present in the class, you must log into Blackboard. That's one way to do it. Submit your assignments on time. Meet me in Skype, email me some type of sign that you are on top of your assignments here on Blackboard. So for example, for week 9, we will do 2 assignments. The first one is called the ePortfolio Journal. Activity 11.1, Technology and Information Literacy, and I will explain what that is. And then the second thing will be a discussion, okay? So with discussion, I will do this one first because sometimes I see that you do your initial posting, but you forget to do your response to another student. Now, it says here that at least the 2 students, since our class is such a small group, I'm just gonna require 1 post to another student, okay? So make sure that when you write your response, that the initial question, make sure you answer it clear, concise, and make sure you elaborate, and then wait throughout the week to make sure you reply to another student and make sure you elaborate. So within discussion is about problem solving in the workplace. We have done a lot in class. We have a lot of documents that we have done through. But for the instructions for this particular class, course, in terms of this assignment, it's asking you to view this video, which is called the process of problem solving. So this is the first thing you need to do here. The second thing, there's 2 articles that they want you to do. The first one, if you click on the 3 internship challenges and how to resolve them, you click in here will take you to the actual reading. Now this third one, what they're asking you to do is to Google these PDF article is called The Unexpected Challenges Found in an Internship, and it's really, if you go to www.about.com and do some searching, you will be able to actually get this PDF reading. Now, once you do those 2 readings, and obviously over here the video, the first thing, then you go to your discussion to elaborate on what is asking you. There's 2 specific things that I need you to do. So you're going to list 2 specific problems that you might face in your internship site moving forward. And then the second thing is present the plan addressing those problems using your interpersonal and problem solving skills. So what are interpersonal skills? Interpersonal skills are verbal communications, non-verbal communications, listening, which means good listening, negotiating, problem solving, and decision making within the workplace. Problem solving skills are analyzing the problem, the factors that contribute to the unwanted situation, analyze the factors that contribute to this unwanted situation, evaluating the best solutions, and assess the effectiveness of your interventions, which means your solutions. And so there's 2 things that specifically they're asking you to do in regards to the initial posting, and then make sure you elaborate to another student with maybe 2 to 3 sentences, okay? Now this is the second assignment, so if you click it, it will take you to discussion. Now the first assignment over here is the ePortfolio Journal. So when you click in here, it's going to take you to your ePortfolio, and so you either start in a Microsoft Word document, a blank document, save it, and then you can, upload it in this link. There's a few things that you have to do here. So the first thing is to review your assignments to identify what demonstrates technology and information literacy competencies within some of the assignments that you have done so far, not only in this class but in your previous classes towards your program. I did a little bit in here in terms of technology and information, so we understand what is the difference between information literacy and also technology skills. Okay, so information literacy has the capability to concentrate and the ability to do research, collect, manage, transform, and exchange different information, uses different technologies such as browsers, email, word processing, and even spreadsheets. Technology skills enable you to use the computer, software applications, databases, and other technologies to achieve wide variety of academic work-related and personal goals. So whatever you do at your work, if you use computers, and obviously you use software to do the assignments, in particular in my class, I know you use computers a lot. So there's two things that you need to concentrate with that. So you can identify in your e-portfolio some of the assignments that you demonstrate technology skills. And also you're going to explain a little bit of how you use these technology skills to improve your employability, which means how do you use this technology in terms of gaining skills that you can offer your future employer. Okay, so you're going to sign up to Brian Stratton College in your e-portfolio. As you know, we have done this right here in your e-portfolio. You're going to go through all the things that you have already done in the past, and you are going to select 4 assignments that you either demonstrated technology literacy or your technology literacy or technology skills, and I'm sure you have plenty of them. You need to just make sure you have 4 of them so you can talk about them. Okay, so to answer in this journal, there's 2 things. So how each of those 4 assignments that you selected obviously demonstrate your information or technology literacy, and then how would you speak about the literacy demonstrated by these selected assignments to your higher managers. So in other words, you selected these assignments that demonstrate either information or technology literacy, and then if someone will ask you examples of how you demonstrate either one to a higher manager, then you need to explain that. Okay, and this will be submitted in a Word copy, obviously in Blackboard in this link. Now we're meeting tomorrow, so if you have more questions throughout the week or tomorrow, please ask. We're moving forward everything online. Every week I will do this mini lecture just to go through the assignments that we have to do for this week, and then if you have any questions, please ask. I will be available most of the day, but just email me. Also, if you want to Skype one-on-one, I'm more than you're more than welcome to do that, which is my username for Skype is just my email, ereyes@brianstratton.edu. Thank you so much.